Hi, teachers and staff. Let's walk through how to view and send progress reports in the staff portal. Before that, let's go over how progress reports usually work. The admin starts by creating a template and sending it to the teachers. The teachers then fill out the reports, assessing how their students are doing. Teachers submit the completed reports to the admin. The admin reviews everything and shares the reports with the students and parents, if linked to a parent account. Reports are in. Let's walk through the viewing and sending process. It's simple. In the navigation menu, click Progress Report. Make sure you're in the Reports tab. From here, scroll down until you find the report you're looking for. You can also use the search bar at the top. Click the filter icon to narrow things down by teacher, status, or course. This is super helpful if you've got a long list of reports to go through. Once you spot the report marked by Submitted, look over to the Actions column. You'll see a little triple dot icon right next to it. Go ahead and click that and hit View. Now you can take a closer look at all the details to see how the student is doing. You can also edit the report if needed. If you make changes, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page. Once saved, you'll be taken back to the Reports tab. Now we're ready to send the reports to students and parents, if they're linked to a parent account. Next, locate all progress reports marked as submitted. To narrow down the list, use the status filter. In the Actions column, you'll find a Quick Send button. Click it, and you're done. The progress report is now sent to the student and parent. And that's all there is to it. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.